Today, I'm here to show you an electric forklift. Hope you like it. This forklift boasts powerful performance, capable of lifting 5 tons of cargo effortlessly. Compared to the loud roar of internal combustion forklifts, electric forklifts operate with minimal noise, significantly improving the working environment by reducing noise interference for operators and surrounding personnel, thereby enhancing overall comfort. The control system is relatively simple, powered by electricity for smooth starts, agile acceleration, and deceleration responses. This design not only shortens the operator's learning curve, but also enhances operational precision. Routine maintenance primarily involves battery charging and basic inspections, with fewer maintenance items, lower costs, and a reduced failure rate. It minimizes downtime and maximizes equipment utilization. Due to its characteristics of no exhaust emissions and low noise, electric forklifts can also work in places with high environmental requirements without affecting product quality or the production environment.